Welcome back to Learn Cambodian with me again. Hi, my name is Dara. I'm a Khmer tutor from Khmer Lesson team. Khmer Lesson team is a team providing service in tutoring Cambodian language to foreigners in Cambodia and from everywhere around the world. And I'm a course instructor on Udemy as well. If you like my video and would like to learn Cambodian with me, please have to subscribe my channel. So today in this lesson, I'm gonna teach you how to make negative form in Cambodian language. Actually, in making negative form in Cambodian language, we have 4 types, but in this lesson, we just learn only 1. Okay, so now start through it together. Negative form with auxiliary verb do does. Okay, so this lesson we're gonna learn how to make negative form with do does in Cambodian language. Okay, so now let's start it together. Okay, so when you make a negative form in Cambodian language with this point, okay, so with this point the form ot or ot blah 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 te is used. Okay, so you have to remember when you make a negative form like this form, okay, you have to use this form in Cambodian language. Okay, so here is the form. You see, we use subject ot and then verb and then complement, and then at the end of the sentence we use te. Okay, te. Okay, so now go to see example together. Okay, I have 3 examples for you in this lesson. Okay, so example number 1. Okay, the sentence is I don't like you. I don't like you. So in Khmer form, you say I ought. You see, I ought like you te. I ought like you te. And then the meaning is ខ្ញុំអត់ចូលចិត្តអ្នកទេ ខ្ញុំអត់ចូលចិត្តអ្នកទេ Okay, so ខ្ញុំ is I, ចូលចិត្ត is like, and អ្នក is you. Okay, so the whole sentence again. ខ្ញុំអត់ចូលចិត្តអ្នកទេ Okay, yes. Example number 2. He doesn't go to work. And then when you use in Khmer form, he ought go to work day. He ought go to work day. Okay, so the meaning in Khmer we say គាត់អត់ទៅធ្វើការទេ គាត់អត់ទៅធ្វើការទេ Okay, so គាត់ is he, ទៅ is go to, and ធ្វើការ is to work. Okay, so again គាត់អត់ទៅធ្វើការទេ Okay. Example 3. They didn't tell me. I use in past. They didn't tell me. And when you change into Khmer form, they ought tell me they. They ought tell me they. So you see, we use as a present. We don't think about past or future. Okay, good. So the meaning of this sentence is ពួកគេ Okay, it means they. ពួកគេអត់ប្រាប់ខ្ញុំទេ ពួកគេអត់ប្រាប់ខ្ញុំទេ Okay, so ប្រាប់ is to tell. And ខ្ញុំ is me. Okay, ខ្ញុំ is I or me. Okay, the whole sentence again a little bit faster. ពួកគេអត់ប្រាប់ខ្ញុំទេ Okay, so this is how to make a negative form with auxiliary verb do does. Okay, so thanks for watching and see you in next lesson.